Hello everyone, and welcome to the course overview lecture. I have one favor to ask of you, and it's that you please do not skip this lecture. We cover a lot of really important things. I'm going to make it as quick as possible, but again, please don't skip this lecture, even if you've taken other courses of mine before. Alright, so in this lecture we're going to quickly cover useful tips for going through the course, how to get help during the course, advice on how to approach the course, where to find the course notebooks, and how to use the student chat channel. Let's get going. So first off, a couple of useful tips. You can use the video player settings to speed up or slow down the videos. You can use the Udemy app to download videos of course lectures. And you can make sure to use our Q&A or question and answer forums, since there's lots of previous discussion already available there. Now let's talk about how to actually get the notes for this course. The notes are linked as a zip file as a resource in this lecture. So all you need to do is download that zip file, unzip it, and you should see all the course notebooks there. There's also a pop-up link that should have popped up as you're viewing this lecture, or you can go to your course dashboard page and then just go to course curriculum and see the resource links there. That same zip file is also a resource in the FAQ lecture. Now, let's talk about getting help during the course. If you're experiencing any platform level issues, please email support@udemy.com. Platform level issues include things like video playback, if you have blurry video, certification issues, if you have questions on maybe changing your name on your certification, or if you have issues with payment or enrollment in the course. I don't actually control any of that. That's on Udemy platform level. So you're going to need to email support@udemy.com and they'll be happy to help you out. I cannot actually help you with that. Now let's talk about getting help on the actual course content. Now, for getting help during the course content, I would really recommend that you double check against the course notebooks. Also, I would recommend that a really fast way to get help, especially for really common issues, is a quick Google search or a Stack Overflow search of your error. That almost always pops up the first link, which is the solution to the problem. Then, if you still can't find your solution, you can search the question and answer forums inside the course, and you can also check out the FAQ lectures. If you still have trouble finding the solution, please submit a new question in the question and answer forums, including details on what you've tried, as well as a screenshot of your error or code. Please include as much detail as possible so that we can help you out. Before posting to the question and answer forums, please confirm that you are using our provided environment and that you have tried running our provided notebooks without any edits to them. The way we've designed this course, if you are running our provided notebooks in our provided environment, you should never encounter any errors or issues. So please confirm those two things and write that you've confirmed those two things when posting to the question and answer forums. It's going to save you a lot of time from simple typos. So again, simple typos can cause errors, and the 2 steps above will guarantee that you avoid any of those types of issues. Please keep in mind, for the course question and answer forums, we cannot help you with your personal natural language processing projects outside of the course material. However, we do have a Discord chat channel that's a great place to share your questions on your personal projects. So please keep the question and answer forums related to the course material and questions stemming directly from the course content. For your own personal or work projects, have those discussions in our Discord chat channel. You can use the link in the automated welcome message to join our Discord server. The automated welcome message also includes a link to a YouTube video describing how to use and log into the chat server. The best way to approach the course, in my opinion, is to review the notebooks along with the video. The notebooks contain code used in every lecture and are organized in the same order that they appear during the course. And the video usually contains explanatory concepts that can't really be shown through code, so we'll have some theory videos as well. So I encourage you to use both of those resources. Okay, that's it for the course overview lecture. Thank you so much for watching it all, and let's get on with the course.